This is the most. Ego desu ka? Ego desu ka? Ego? Ego desu ka? Ego? No, no ego. Nihongo? Nihongo. Ego? Yeah, ego sensei. Ego sensei. Ego. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. I'm Andre. My name, Namae, Andre. I am from Jamaica. What is that? Okay. Good. What's your name?
My name is Yamamoto.
Yamamoto. Yuna, hi Yuna, I'm Andre. Andre, name is Andre. Nice to meet you. From Jamaica. Just been here 2 months. So, summer vacation. Vacation? No school? Okay, nice to see you around. Okay. So yeah, they're crazy and stuff. So all the school girls are never talking. My friend Yamamoto right there. The school, alright, hi. So yeah, we're here just chilling. Okay, this is crazy. This shy and I guess because I'm cute. I don't know. Alright, so hello. Hi, you're tall. You're tall. Okay. Hey, you're from Japan. Hi, I'm Andre. I'm from Jamaica. Say hi. Jamaica.
I'm Chinese.
You're Chinese. Oh, okay, where in China are you from?
Shanghai.
Shanghai. The capital? No, Beijing capital. Shanghai. Okay, so how long have you been in Japan?
10 years.
10? So Nihongo. Nihongo? Good. Oh man, I just came here like 2 months, so Nihongo. Yeah. What's your name?
Danling.
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 Danling. Hi, I'm Andre. Andre. Yes.
Andre.
And you're living in Toyota?
Yeah.
Okay, for 10 years.
For 10 years.
Wow, that's nice. So you know, I don't know much around the place. Could you help me to the museum maybe or somewhere later? Like I don't know. If that's okay with you.
Toyota?
Yeah, I live in Toyota.
So long.
Yeah.
How long?
I'll be here for the next 13 months. 12 and a half next year. I'll be here a long time. So I don't know if you have a line or something I could contact you and you could like show me around because I'm new. No?
English.
English back? No?
Yeah.
But so I could help you English, you help me with Japanese. How about that? So do you have like number or line? What's your name? Hi. This is
いいの私も映っていいの
Hi, what's your name?
沙織
Saurori. Hi.
サロリじゃない
Saurori です。
そう沙織沙織
Saurori. Oh, so. I'm from Jamaica.
ジャマイカ
Right. So I'll be here, living in here. I just came here like 2 months ago.
なんで出るの
Two months ago. Yeah, two. So I'll be here for a while. So I was asking Danling, yeah, for some help like around Toyota.
今俺
New, but, yeah, no friend, no new friend. Okay, so all right, guys, see you later. Bye.